We're in the Sega arcade in Osaka. Got the Michael Jackson game. I want to see the dancing bit. Where's the dancing bit? Oh, here we go. That's the special. He's popped his Ultra. Oh my god. Got tennis. Got Metal Slug. Is that Networks? I don't even know what game it is anyway. Got Alpha 3 being played. Hackle SNK2, Marvel. There's King of Fighters here somewhere. Melty Bloods. Tekken Tag. Aquapazza, Persona 4. Virtua Fighter. Street Fighter 4. That's a network somewhere in Japan. Got Cantonar playing on the end here. UTMSK. Ultimate Master, holy shit. He's even higher ranked. I don't know who he is though.